day here in Siargao. Dadaan sa sakyan. Guys, parang awa nyo na panoodin nyo naman yung mga vlog ko. Hirap na kami. I just wanna feel love. Guys, follow me for more travel vlogs. Gusto mo ng chill, nagpapatay oras ka lang ng walang bayad, punta kayo dito. Hi guys, good morning. It's our second day here in Siargao. So, samahan nyo kami and we're going to explore the northern part of Siargao. So, tara. Kailangan natin umalis na maaga ngayon kasi medyo mahaba yung biyahe. I think it's a 1 hour or more than an hour drive pa papunta dun sa northern Siargao area. Currently, it's already 6:20 a.m. Dapat supposed to be 6 a.m. kami, pero 6:20 na dito pa kami. So, tara, alis na tayo. Bye-bye! Nirent namin to kay Kuya Dave. Very accommodating sa mabait naman si Kuya. So, hang on, let's go! Guys, we're here at Coconut View Deck. Yan. Pag nandito kayo sa Siargao, never skip this part ng tourist spot nila. Kasi parang hindi ka nagpunta sa Siargao kung hindi ka pupunta dito sa Coconut View Deck. Tapos dito yung ginagawa yung mga human drone. Ayan sila. Sila yung mga pwede nyo pagpa-picturean. Siguro abutan nyo na lang with pakonsuelo sa kanila. So, ayan. May mga food din sila dito. After dito, baka magmaasin river kami. Hindi. Kasi napuntahan na namin yung last time. So, siguro after na lang. Hi! Lipat na tayo.
Hindi ko nang kita yung ano.
Ito pa. Punta tayo ngayon sa Coconut Road. Okay, yun tayo sa Coconut Road. Mag-try tayo magpalupad ng drone. Teka tayo, may mga sasakyan pa sa likod. Madami pang sasakyan.
Yan na, ganyan na. Side ka konti. Yan, ganyan na.
Wait lang guys ha. Guys, dapat medyo cautious at maingat kayo dito kasi main road talaga siya, daanan siya ng mga sasakyan. Kaya every now and then may dumadaan. So kung gusto niyo mag-picture sa gitna, make sure na safe ha, walang mga sasakyan. Baka mamaya nagbabakasyon na lang kayo, maaksidente pa kayo. Ay, niladaan sa sasakyan. Game. Wait lang, may sasakyan lang. Grabe ka naman, maganda naman ah. Yan ang mga kuha ko. Okay naman yung kuha ko ah. Galing nga ako eh.
Pag ano, tatakbo ka ha, papunta doon.
Tatakbo ako. Guys, parang awa nyo na panoodin nyo naman yung mga vlog ko. Hirap na kami. Yung yung followers ko, 13. Baka gusto niya naman gawing 100. Guys, follow me for more travel vlogs.
Sa nilawak-lawak ng mundo.
Guys, nawala na naman yung mic ko. So, this is the Coconut Nut, a popular hidden beachfront eatery located directly on the soft white sands of Alegria Beach. Usually, visitors here often use the restaurant as a base to eat, swim, and relax all day. Since napaka-relaxing ng vibe at napaka-kalmado ng beach dito. Ooh.
When I was a little girl, I prayed that love will be forever, you will always stay. Later did I know we'd go our ways. The days we loved and loved are simply far away. Come a little closer to me, I used to say, and you'd come running to me each and every way. Don't be afraid, you used to say. We'd walk in different ways as we go out into the world to find our place. Oh no, I know it's just a simple love song. Forgive me if the words have gone wrong. Now I'll sing along. You know I'll always be strong, and all night long I'll have you in my song, baby. I know it's just a simple love song. The love that's in my...
We're now here at Trogon's Perch, one of the famous restaurants here in Northern Siargao na merong view ng beach at ng Pacifico Beach to be exact. So, itry natin yung food nila at samahan nyo kami na makita and ma-explore yung area na to. Guys, you can roam around here sa Trogon's Perch for free if you dine in with them. Dito sa area na to, pwede mo pampuntahan yan. But, pag nakarating ka sa side na to, kung saan merong mga rooms, bawal ka na dyan. Since this is for the guest of Trogon's Perch na.
Half-empty mug sits on the windowsill. Sun spills soft across the worn oak sill. No alarms blaring, no tasks left to kill. Remotes half buried under a frilled knit chill. Pages flip slow in the old paperback. A whispered breeze tugs the curtain hem back. This slow afternoon's got no plan at all. The This slow afternoon's all mine to hold. Warm air wraps like a blanket fold. Sugar crumbs dust the edge of the plate. Neighbor's dog trots past the iron gate. I drag my sock feet on the heated slate. No need to hurry, no need to wait. Phone's face downward, the couch cushion dips. Taste the leftover mint on my lips. This slow afternoon's got no plan at all. Dust motes dance in the golden fall. No rush, no call, no wait to haul. Soft hum stuck in my skull, light and tall. This slow afternoon's all mine to hold. Warm air wraps like a blanket fold.
Guys, nandito tayo sa view deck ng Trogon's Porch. Review lang natin yung food nila. Actually, masarap lahat. Masarap yung seafood pasta, masarap din yung chicken and chips, and even yung mango float masarap. Actually, lahat masarap. Almost 2,000 kami, 1,970 to be exact, para dun sa dalawang food plus the dessert, saka isang Coke Zero and one iced latte. Pero all in all, masarap siya. Ito ngayon yung view deck nila. So, aside sa masarap na food, meron din kayong magandang view deck na pwedeng pagpicturean once mag-visit kayo dito. Very Instagrammable yung area. Tapos meron din silang parang maliit na garden. Yan. Here's the garden. Ayun yung parang tore nila. I'm not sure if na-appreciate nyo or na-capture ng video. Pero ayun nga siya. Nandyan lang siya. So, what else? Ayun, meron silang 500 pesos per person, consumable naman yun. So, parang para sa akin, okay naman siya, worth it naman yung mga presyo, based dun sa lasa. And aside from that, you get to have a good picture kasi Instagrammable yung area. So, yun. Try namin mag-video para mas makita nyo pa yung itsura nitong Trogon's Porch.
Mga tao sa hinaba-haba ng panahon at sa nilawak-lawak ng mundo, nahanap kita.
Welcome to Secret Beach, and Panalawa, Kikibor, Filipino, and Filipino food restaurant. Dito rin yung parking area nila. Pagpupunta ka ng Secret Beach.
Thank you, sir.
Ito po. Ako mo itong pandali ng mic ko. Guys, ito yung Secret Beach ni Nadine Samon. Huwag yung stick to kasi ano to eh, wala, free entrance. Free entrance at the same time. Maganda, kalmado yung tubig. I'm not sure lang kung meron pa rin mga recreational activities dito like kayaking. Ano pa ba yun? Paddleboarding.
Yung firefly watching.
Saka firefly watching. Secret talaga siya. Parang galing ka sa jungle tapos paglabas mo nasa beach ka na. Guys, habang papunta tayo dun sa beach, kwento ko lang yung nilipatan namin. Currently, nasa third day na kami ng our Siargao trip. So, yung ika-third day namin, lumipat kami from Jungle Nest to the Siarganon homestay. Okay naman siya, kaso nahirapan yung local na tuk-tuk rider na hanapin siya kasi even siya hindi niya alam kung saan yun. Kaya yung pala paloob siya. Sakto lang naman yung room. Malaki naman siya. Pero kung medyo maselan kayo, I think parang hindi ko siya marirecommend. Pero kung vegetarian kayo at kailangan nyo lang ng tutuluyan, better. Okay naman yun. Okay naman siya. At the same time, mura. Nabook ko siya na siguro around 3.8, gano'n, 3.7. Hindi ko masyado matandaan pero ilalagay ko na lang dyan kung magkano yung nagastos ko. Yun lang. Medyo, saka at the same time yung ano niya kasi, yung lock, hindi siya ganun ka-secured kasi padlock lang siya. Padlock lang yung mga ano ng kwarto. Guys, we're here at Secret Beach. Kung gusto mo ng chill, nagpapatay oras ka lang ng walang bayad, punta kayo dito sa may malinaw lang siya area, malinaw area. Waze yun na lang, Wazeable naman. Tapos, ang maganda dito may mga ino-offer din silang mga activities like paddleboarding, yan, ano pa ba, kayak, yan. Tapos, meron din silang tour. If you can see, may mga boat dyan going to the mangrove. Parang meron ata silang firefly watching. Sorry. Look! There's a dog! Ay, kamukha niya yung dog ko, si Oreo. Hello! Hi! What's your name? Ay, so bait mo naman, baby. You're so bait naman. This is your secret beach. Ganda, diba? Kalmado. At the same time, may bakawan. Bakawan ba tawag dun? Bakawan. Ang ganda. Yung mga ganitong vibe yung, alam mo yun, pag trentahin, quarentahin ka na. Ganito na rin gusto mo. Tahimik. Dito guys. Ganda diba? Ganda. Kahit dito, pwedeng dito na lang kayo maglatag yun. Sa taas. Mangrove tour.
May buhaya dyan eh.
Wala. Sulit ka.
Wala ba?
Sure, wala po. Dito ka, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sige.
ma'am, bilang tutara.
Sa lahat. Sige.
Pag mag-picture at store, maganda yung sir.
Yan. Dito siya.
Dito ka po, ganun pa kami.
Okay po.
Tatalong ha.
Go.
Eh.
Game.
Green.
Ano yun? Init. Ano ton? Iban.
Hindi tayo masyado masusunog.
Andiyan ba si Nadine, bo?
Ano? Minsan lang ito dyan, sir.
Ito yun eh.
Uy, wow. Gloomy ng weather. Di na lang nagsalita si Kuya.
Ber. Ayan, dalawa. Pwede naman. Depende sir, magkausap kayo ng...
Ay, photo to. No, ganito.
Oo, na may bangka po. Sinira ng udit. Sinaanuhan ng puno na malaki.
Won't take way under the golden light. Moon moving slow, feeling so right. Barefoot steps, rhythm in the air. In this summer heat, we don't care. Feel the breezes lifting us high. We're chasing the waves, touching the sky. Together we rise, no looking back. This summer vibe is on the right track. Summer vibes, we're feeling the heat. Dancing all night to the ocean beat. Under the stars, we're never alone. This is our time, a summer unknown. Oh, summer vibe. We're feeling alive, summer vibes. The sun gets low, but we're still here. The night is young, the stars are near. Every moment so wild and free. This is the life it's meant to be. Feel the warmth of the night. We're glowing bright, hearts so light. Every breath.
Meron akong special guest sa aking vlog. Echo!
Eco bag.
Ano masasabi mo? Biyahe ni Echo.
Ganda ng hamper bag.
Di ko sure nakalagay doon. Entrance fee is 100. Consumable for food and drinks. Let's check. Part pa rin to ng Secret Beach. Pero sa other side naman. Ganda rin siya. Tambayan. Going to Malinaw. Ano ba yun? Basta yung skateboard
Ayun na yan.
area.
Ito na yun eh.
Katabi lang halos ng Secret Beach. Ito na siya, oh. Yan.
Ito pala, pwede ka nang yung kape. Takot.
Ano nga, may...
Set up na sila oh.
Ay, sandali. Alam niyo tayo.
Ha?
May tusok-tusok.
Kain tayo?
At Malinaw Beach. Ito tayo mga nagsiskate. Kaya naman favorite skater ko.
There's platinum lightning in the sky, looking at it like a queen. This kind of love is getting expensive. We know how to live, baby. We're luxurious like Egyptian goddess. We're so rich in love, we're rolling in cashmere. Got it in biscuit, baby. Diamond in the rough is looking so sparkly. So hard every night and day, and now we get to pay back.
Bye-bye. Bukas ah.
Now we get to pay back. Working so hard every night and day, and now we get to pay back.
Pwede kayo mag-rent. Sa 200 kung dapat. Bukas turuan mo kami, ha? Turuan mo kami bukas, ha? Bye-bye!
Sumasama sa akin tsaka yung payat eh.
Like a boss recline, puffing on the sticky green, sipping on me some wine. I made it out the hood and I'm feeling real good about it. Riding in the Benz, trying to pull the wood up.